The second largest country in the world, Canada has no shortage of beautiful landscapes and unique sites for travelers to explore. From coast to coast, the country is home to vibrant and culturally rich cities along with incredible natural wonders. So today in this video we are talking about top 5 beautiful and high rated tourist attractions in Canada. Number 5, Whistler. Just a 2-hour drive from Vancouver is the famous ski resort and village of Whistler. While Whistler has always been an important winter sports area, it has also developed into a popular summer destination with golf, mountain biking, and a lively town atmosphere throughout the year. The village gained international attention in 2010 when it became one of the locations for the 2010 Winter Olympic Games. The area offers world-class hiking, hotels and dining as well as variety of outdoor recreational opportunities and beautiful mountain scenery. That sounds really interesting. Number 4, Old Quebec. Old Quebec is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the Canadian historic gems. Spread across the upper and lower town of Quebec, this area contains the city's most historic buildings. The lower town, along with St. Lawrence River, is the site of the original settlement and home to the outstanding Fairmont Le Chautai Frontenac, as well as numerous other treasures. Number 3, Toronto CN Tower. On the shores of Lake Ontario in Canada's big city in the iconic CN Tower, one of Canada's most famous landmarks. The tower stands an impressive 553 meters high and dominates the skyline. At the top, you can find fine dining in revolving 360 restaurant and enjoy a meal while looking out over the city and the lake. Number 2, Banff National Park and the Rocky Mountains. Banff National Park lies in the heart of the majestic Rocky Mountains in the province of Alberta and showcases some of Canada's most beautiful scenery. Turquoise-colored lakes, snow-capped peaks, and glaciers are all easily accessible in this stunning park. The jewel of the park is Lake Louise, where green waters reflect the surrounding mountains and glaciers, and visitors can stroll easily around the shores. Just a short distance is Moraine Lake, another impressive alpine lake with an even slightly more dramatic surrounding. Number 1, Niagara Falls. There is no doubt Niagara Falls, one of the most beautiful places exist in the world. Niagara Falls is Canada's most famous natural attraction, bringing in millions of visitors each year. Located just over an hour drive from Toronto along the American border, these massive falls drop approximately 57 meters. You can see the falls as an astoundingly close distance from several key points. Niagara Falls and Niagara Gorge have been attracting tourists and daredevils for well over a century. Between the mid-19th and mid-20th centuries, there were numerous attempts to plunge over the falls in various types of homemade boats and barrels. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.